Hey guys, John, Vapor Honing Technologies here. We've done a half and half for you. This is a Volkswagen transmission piece here from the transmission. I'm pretty sure this is a Volkswagen bus or van. That's what I was told earlier in the week when the customer dropped the part off. But this part came out impeccably well. You can see where we started, and this is what we have after the vapor honing process. I mean, the results speak for themselves. This part is from the 60s. There were heavy amounts of corrosion on this part. There was some paint on here as well. But look at the thread detail on the studs, how clean those studs are. They look brand new versus where we started right here. We are not changing the integrity of the surface. You can see some stamping marks here. Of course, part number identification here is much easier when the part is clean. And here is the inside as well. This is what you can hand back to your customer. This is something that you can do for yourself every day of the week. This is what excites me all the time when you get parts that come out just like this. Doesn't matter the material you're blasting, steel, aluminum, brass or bronze, everything always comes out remarkably well. If it's steel, a ferrous metal, then we use a corrosion inhibitor in the solution to prevent any flash rusting that's going to take place that could occur. And of course, aluminum needs none of that until the post process. You could spray an aircraft grade product on there to prevent corrosion in the future, something that's not needed immediately. But I mean, this is incredible. Do you guys think you need this in your shop or in your business today? If you think so, and you have an application or a part that you want to try out and test, we are more than happy to run that part for you and show you exactly what we can do for you. And this is something that you're going to get back and see real quick. I've spent many hours in front of a dry blasting cabinet. Dry blasting cabinets cannot do this. Ultrasonics cannot do this. Vibratory tumbling cannot do this. Dry ice blasting, soda blasting, nothing can give you these types of results that are repeatable and something that is actually enjoyable to do from a surface finishing standpoint. And I have seen this time and time again, thousands and thousands of times over when you get parts just like this. If you have an application, give us a call, shoot us an email. We're always here and happy to help. We can certainly take care of that for you, free of charge. And post a comment below and tell us what you think about this part. Tell us what you want to see next. Ask any questions that you might have. We're happy to answer those for you. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.